Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing mango shake. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have one Julie mango, and it is mango season, so you can always go ahead and use any mango of your choice. I already went ahead and washed my mango nicely, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my mango because we're not going to use the skin. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local farmers market, and of course, you'll get mango of your choice there as well. As you can see, I also have my blender close by, so once I remove the inside of the mango, I just place it in the blender. Once I'm finished with the mango, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and start adding the milk. I will also go in and add the oats. Of course, I'm gonna add some of my flax seed and also my protein powder. If you guys have almond milk at home, you can always go ahead and use almond milk, or what you can do, you can always go ahead and use your regular milk. So now that I'm finished, as I said, I will go in and start adding my milk, of course, and then I'm going to go in and add my oats. If you guys have raisin, you can always go ahead and add some raisins to this. And guys, basically this shake is very amazing. Just in case you don't want anything heavy on your stomach, you can always go ahead and prepare an easy shake for you and your family. If you're on a diet, you can always go ahead and make this amazing shake, all right? So I added the protein powder, and this is the strawberry flavor, and you can always get it at your local supermarket. And I also went in and add my flaxseed, and then we're going to go ahead and blend this until it is smooth. Once it's finished, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. If you guys have ripe banana at home, you can always go ahead and add one ripe banana. All right, so basically this is it, really smooth and nice. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pour it out and basically put it in the fridge until we are ready to have this amazing shake. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching.